train is already gone, guys.
Yeah. Hi. We are here in Berlin Hauptbahnhof, and our train is we haven't verpasst in Deutsch. What is it in English? In English, it's like
we already lose the train.
yeah. That's why we have to wait for the next train, and it costs a lot of money because today is Sunday, it's holiday here in Germany.
And today we're going to my sister Chloe.
Yeah, we're going to baby Chloe and to Kuya Tipo in Nathan.
I really love them.
So mag-travel na po
Daddy, what
tayo
is that?
papunta ng Bonn. Inom muna tayo ng kape,
Yes, a little
kain muna
bit.
tayo ng burger area. Where you go? You're so spoiled, girl.
I'm not spoiled.
What are you?
I'm a scary monster.
Look what Arya got here.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. This is our favorite now in Burger King. Itong
Mama.
spicy na may cheese. Sweet.
Chicken nuggets, tissues, French fries, apples, and some ketchups.
Wow.
There's more.
Look, what is this? It's a Barbie thing.
Oh my goodness.
I
Wait,
think it's a home or something. Could I help you?
no, I think I can do it by myself.
Oh,
I definitely need.
oh, can you lift it one? Wait, I need to open. Tingnan natin kung ano ito. What is this, guys? This is, oh, it's a secret. A surprise.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, perfect for you because you're not combing your hair. It's a Christmas gift for you. That's for traveler, a small traveler like you.
I'm gonna get this for Chloe.
You're always Chloe.
I want to give this to Chloe
Hey,
when she grow up.
Oh, when she grow up. Oh, you're so thoughtful. It's Barbie. Oh, so cute.
Juice. Where's the chicken nugget? Oh, here.
So, kain muna kami. Kain tayo. Yes! We made it on time. La, 1, 2, la, Yeah, let's go. Laka. Are you here in this side? Oopsie daisy. Hi. We are now here in Wolfsburg. Biyahe na po tayo. Papunta tayo sa Hanover. Okay. I will do the vlog in it's always moving because of, so we are now going to Wolfsburg, guys, and a lot of people right now here, maybe because of the
I'm
sport.
always shaking.
It's okay.
I'm cold.
Yeah, because you're cold, right?
Yeah.
And naabutan kami ng sobrang daming tao, kaya yung mga pulis dito, every side may mga pulis. Kanina like 5 police sides, 5, tapos sa harap pa. Grabe. Ganyan para sila.
Security. Security.
Ah, security, yes. There are a lot of security, right? Why they are there? Security. Why they are there lang?
Security.
Yeah, why they are there lang?
Because they will check us if we're good or not.
I cannot hear you. Why they are there? Maybe because there's a lot of people who are drunk right now. Dahil nga sa normal lang po dito
What is
mag-inom.
drunk?
Like they drink a lot of alcohol. That's why a lot of police everywhere.
No! Someone steals something, that's why.
Yeah, stealing or anything. That's why. Oh, you're a sleepy, love. Don't do that to your nose.
Ja, das hat auch mal Spaß gemacht.
Mom, my nose is getting better and better and better.
Yeah.
Ja.
1, 2. This is Aria's secret. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you.
Banknoten. Ja. Google das mal. 25. Das ist ein Game Changer auf jeder Party. Das ist praktisch. Los, Google. Was soll ich gesehen? Banknoten, Mike Krüger. So. Der Banknoten-Nachmacht oder verfälscht oder nachgemachte oder verfälschte Sigmarschaft. Und im Verkehr bringt wird mit freier Strafe nicht unter 2 Jahre bestraft. Hey! Nachmacht oder verfälscht oder nachgemachte oder verfälschte Sigmarschaft. Und im Verkehr bringt wird mit freier Strafe nicht unter 2 Jahre bestraft.
We made it! We're almost there na po sa bahay ng mga bata. Grabe yung travel namin. Simula alas 3 ng hapon ha. Ngayon ay alas 6 na. Like, inumaga na kami kakabiyahe. Yehey! Thank you, Lord. Kanina nagtaligsik ba? Ulan, taligsik. Ngayon nawala. Ay, salamat. Ang sarap ng weather, oh. May araw. Wala si Ari. Nagtago talaga ang bata. Hoy, wait for Mama Langga. So, ayun, sa wakas, andito na po tayo sa Bon. Grabe. Alas 3 ng hapon pa kami nag-travel. So, nag-start alas 3. Ngayon is, ano na, alas 7 na. Ay. So, ilang oras na yun? 3 PM start. Natagalan kami normally kapag normal na itsi ka mag-travel with train. 5 hours. Yan. 6 hours. Minsan may 4 hours. Yung grabe naka-bullet train. 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. Ganon. Ngayon, sobrang haba. Mga 13 hours na ata kami nag-travel. Dahil sa laro na soccer. Alam nyo dito sa Germany, fan na fan yung mga tao. Especially mga lalaki, no? Mga boys. Mga bata. Fan na fan sila ng soccer. Kaya sobrang dami, grabe, parang mga kuto ba? Saan ba ito nanggaling mga tao na to? Nakasuot sila ng black and yellow. May shawl sila na yellow. Yun. Dortmund versus Wolfsburg. Doon kami natagalan sa Wolfsburg kasi doon ata ni held. So, nabigla ako kasi bakit bigla-biglang dumami yung mga pulis? Kala ko ano nangyari. Maya-maya, siguro mga 2 minutes, biglang dumagsa yung mga tao sa station. Puro mga lasing. Diyos ko. May mga botilya na tinatapon. Kaya pala naghanda yung mga pulis. Alert na alert sila. Alam pala nila yung mangyayari. Kaya yun, sumakay na lang kami ng ICE na. Nag-extra bayad pa ako kasi yung ICE kasi bullet train, mabilis. Kaya sabi ko kung ano kami, regional train lang, yung normal public, baka matagalan kasi ang daming tao. So nag-extra ako ng bayad. Diyos ko, mas lalo palang tagalan kasi yung mga lasing nasa pintuan lang sila ng ICE. Kaya yung train hindi na makaalis-alis. Nag-inuma, nag-chikahan. Diyos ko, aalis na sana, sabi na, oh, alis na. Nagpindot na naman yung iba. Kaya hindi na naman matuloy. Maya-maya, may mga pulis na dumating para talaga makinig. Pero hindi na nila makontrol dahil sa sobrang dami ng lasing. Sobrang puno. Punong-puno yung ETC train. Na, ayan, nandito na po kami. We're here. Wait, oh, bigat. Ah, how did you know? Oh, Diyos ko. Good morning. Grabe travel namin. Ay, 15 hours.
Grabe lagi, abira ko. Oras na ibibak lang.
Dahil sa sa football na laro.
Mama, should I help you? Should I help you?
You're very smart, girl. How did you know about this? The lead?
Tanaw siya sa pagay niya.
Ah.
Pagay siya, pagay siya. Sketch tape po. Uy, Arya, uy. Arya.
Arya. Ayan, we are wrapping now our gift.
Hawad naman kay Arya.
Kasi bukas po ay 24. Tomorrow na po ang opening of the gift. Then 25 birthday ni Kuya Tipoy.
How many days?
2 days, the birthday of your brother. And tomorrow is Christmas. Oh wait, I will help you.
No, it's okay.
Then
You
you
want to do the tape.
Ah, okay. Tape lang daw sa akin. Sige.
Kabalo ba dyan? Pilo-pilo mo niya. Ano?
I will take so.
No, it's okay.
Nee, I have a take so it looks better.
Wobei die Uhr nicht mit in die Schule nehmen dürfen, ne?
The darkness?
Nein.
So, wait,
Handy nur
look.
in der Tasche und
Look,
so Smartwatch sind verboten in der Schule.
Look here. So,
Das heißt, ihr müsst die außerhalb der Schule nutzen.
you have to make a. So, then
Das ist aber auch für die Oberstufenschüler so.
is that good idea to give that?
Ja, Afterschool, ne?
Yeah, but shop it, yes.
Frage ist nur, ob sie die nutzen.
Yeah, so
Man müsste es ja dafür Internet nutzen, selbst das nutzen sie ja nicht unterwegs.
Bawal ka, Step. Ano?
good.
Sige lang, ano lang na gamitin mo. Sige na, pagparas ka mo.
Mommy, I cannot.
Gay na, mag-good. Kabalo ka. Nakatulog ka. Nagbangon ako kakadali. Mura ka gubog. Animik siguro ka, tika animik.
Oh, anemic man siya.
Ang tatuban, yung datong katong sa Thailand, dud ko. Naku, ginainom po dato.
Yeah.
Dami kayo matulog po. Wala mo ko nakadala.
Wala ka na.
Wala ko nakadala ato ba sa Thailand. Nami to siya ba.
That's enough?
Di ba good siguro pwede magdala mo good mga ano, mga medicine. Kabalo po siya mag-rap giya.
Mama.
Kaya siya.
Nag-grab siya ang bra.
Kanin kamot, Arya. Susu. Susu. Oh, tanong ako sa
Mommy, I need tape, please.
Nur ja gestanden. Hier.
Indot unta to.
Wait,
Padala.
How do you say
Sicher Nummer
from
stehen.
Kuya?
Oh, we forgot it. This is for Kuya. 4 F.
Four.
Yeah, F.
F first.
Yeah, F.
First F.
Yeah. O.
O.
R.
O.
Iman niya.
Sige na.
R. Yeah.
Okay.
And then go to here. 1, 2.
From Kuya.
Okay, 4 Kuya. Then here K. K.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Ui, da ist ja aber schnell.
U.
You.
Y.
Why?
Y.
Same like your name. Why?
Y like Arya.
Why?
Yeah, and A like Arya.
A.
Yeah, A.
Ayan. Kuya, what?
But
Tayo ist jetzt ein offizieller Stadtbus.
okay, Mama, look.
2, 4.
To Kuya.
Aldi na lang.
To Kuya.
I am the wrong one. I said 4. 2 pala.
Yeah, sagdi lang.
Mama is the wrong one. Thank you. You're very good. To Kuya. Then here is
To Steven.
yes.
Ganito na
Mama,
ko,
need the
sir.
tape, please.
Again.
A tape. Galing naman ni Arya. Siya pa nagsulat.
Bilisan ako, Kira. Kaya no?
Kaya pa mo din. Ay, gusto ko. Pakita ko po sa inyo yung sulat ni Arya ha. Yeah. Mali ako. Ako nagsabi ng 4, mali pala. 2 pala. 2, kuya. Wow, galing naman ang...
Mama, I need the tape, hurry!
Sining kamot gid sa ulo. Uy, kaluwi sa mga natin.
Ayaw, para matulog.
Mama, I need the tape.
Oh, mas... Good job.
I need the tape, please.
Yeah, wait. Where's the scissor?
Busog na ka? Iya ka, ukaw.
Busog na kayo kumili. Naano siya ko kay ka ng gidugo mong ko niya, nagbukat akong dalawa, bukat kayo.
Pero 4 man ka to kaligid imong ano, dili kay ano no, basta 4 kaligid okay ra, dili kay sa bugat. Pero kung 2 lang kay grabe po. Ano?
It's okay.
Yeah.
Yan ang kamot, yeah. Go, Arya.
We need to go na, Arya. It's so late na pala.
No, I don't want.
Hoy!
You will come back tomorrow.
You cannot sleep here because you cry. Tomorrow we come back here.
Yeah. And then you can
Sad.
open your gift tomorrow.
Yeah.
Excited na na siya.
But you need to wait 12 o'clock. 12 in the midnight. Mga bata kayo ng reklamo. Oh, gusto ko lang 12 midnight. Kaya dapat dugay pa kayo open ang regalo nga. Excited na kayo ni.
Totoo ano kay sabit-sabit medyas one. Sabit-sabit medyas.
Sa amin, may pagkain. Hindi pa pakain ni Mama. 12 pa daw. Pagka Ochebena.
Put it over here.
Magutom na kay Ma. Uy, kutoy-kutoy na itong tiyan. Dili. Kay mawala ang picturean pa ni. Uy, ginoo ko, Mama. Mag-ano pa ta, magsimba niya. Human og simba. Dala na mag-picture pa niya. Human. Dala na mukhaon. Lagi may 12 lagi. Kaya kayo doon siya buena na mo eh. Pagabutog 12, ako ba? Walay gana kaon. Napasmuhan na. Ang daming naiwan pagkain.
Buntag na po. Inito na po yung kamutan.
Pati din New Year. Tagal makakain namin. Ang ginagawa namin, pag may pagkain niluto sa mama, kuha na kami agad.
Hindi lang pahalata.
Hintayin pa namin midnight. Gutom na. Tapos picture pa pagkatapos. Grabe naman pagka pilitan ni mo, Arya. Wow!
Okay kayo.
Now, what will you write?
Una.
Yes, to Steven.
First.
Wow! Hala, hindi siya tinuruan. Alam na niya. Oh, what? Good job. And then two, like this. Ano tawag ni? Yeah. Yeah, dots. Kabright. Uy. Steven. S. T. Baliktad. E. Elephant. Yeah, E. V. Yeah, E again. Then N.
Wow, super.
Good job! Ang galing naman ng aking 5 years old girl.
Galing eh.
Ah, proud na proud. Lala. Okay. Hala, sige daw. Wow! Thank you! Ayan, oh. Galing naman ni Arya Maisie. So, guys, this gift is for Uncle Stefan. The baby Chloe. The baby Chloe, this one. Go to Chloe. Chloe's for you. So, Chloe will look to Tita. Ate Arya, look. For you, yeah? Don't worry. Also for you. From Ate Arya. Is this from you, Arya? Aww. All the gifts are all prepared and Arya is taking us a video. Thank you, Ate Arya.
Welcome.
And also Arya wrapping the gift and everything and also writing the names. Thank you so much, Ate Arya. What is that? That's the name. Okay. Hi. So we are going now to our hotel. So
We will sleep to our hotel.
yeah, I will hold it. And Arya is so excited to open her gift for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Christmas.
And here's my gift.
There's your name.
And there's Chloe.
Good morning! We are here in a small hotel. Not very small. We are...
Big!
It's a big hotel, yeah. Dito po kami natulog. Nag-hotel po kami ni Arya kay... Wala kami matulugan. And later, mamaya na po yung Christmas! Today is December 24. So, ang oras ay 10:21. Labas na kami. Meron pa tayong bibilhin. Buti na lang open yung mga store dito sa Bonn. Sa NRV, whole NRV ata. At buti na lang hindi umuulan ngayon. So, Arya, come you put your water.
I don't want to go to a store. I just want to go to Chloe directly.
But I need something. Please.
No.
Paano to? Need that the store will be closed. And when we go to Chloe and I bring you there, when I come back, it's all closed. And I gonna cry. Kulang yung ating sahog sa macaroni. Magluto. Yeah, but today is 24, Arya. It's holiday. Come. Can you turn off all the lights? You know.
I don't want. Don't you not give me
Ni fast. Yeah.
anything? Mama?
Yeah.
It's Christmas. It's not just snowing. It must just snow in Christmas.
Yeah, not really must, but sometimes there's also no snow in Christmas. So yan, dito na tayo sa lobby mag-check out. Beethoven.
Sigue cerrando en alemán, pues no te está claro. ¿Hablas en español?
No, no hablo español.
Entonces,
Lo entiendo un poco, pero no hablo español.
lo que estoy diciendo es, sí, lo que estoy diciendo es que si puedes subir un momento para...
Patay, may hindi makaintindi.
Ja, aber
Hindi
ich
sila
muss ja arbeiten.
magkaintindihan. Welcome to Bonn. Ito yung city namin dito. Pasensya na kayo, sobrang gulo ko. Alam nyo, sobrang sama ng pakiramdam ko. Kaya, dito muna ako sa city. Mag-inom ng kape. Baka mawala yung aking headache. Nagtukar akong migraine. So, ito yung order natin. Nag-espresso lang ako. Espresso and pastel di nata. So,
Welcome.
come guys! Tita Liz will take us a picture. Can we say first here, Merry Christmas! Guys, come here! See?
Five.
Sit here, Kuya.
Five.
Sorry, Berhen. Yeah, din also. Anatan, come here, Natan. Wait, Kuya, dance cross ko yun. Okay, Kuya, here. Yeah. Is here, Arya? Und hier ist Nathan. So, come Nathan here. Es gut aus jetzt. Ich bin hier. Und Nathan, wo bist du? Ein bisschen richtig. Okay. Nathan, komm hier. Steven.
Steven, not for you. Now you can say nothing.
Okay. No. You want to stand up because, okay. We would say, Nathan, cannot see you. Oda, you change, Kuya, please. Oda, you change. I cannot see Nathan. Okay, we will say Merry Christmas. 1, 2, 3, go. Merry Christmas! Christmas, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Merry Christmas! Ay, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Okay, 1, 2, Kuya, happy. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. 1, 2, 3, go.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year! What is 4 plus 4? 8. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2. 10. 10 plus 6.
So,
10 plus 6. 16. 2 plus 16.
hello everyone. Today is December 25 and it's December 25 is brother's birthday. Yeah. So since it's Kuya Tipo's birthday. We have a gift for Kuya. First gift is for your birthday. For Christmas. And here's also for Are You Amazing? Wow! Nathan, come on here. Here's also for Steven.
Oh my goodness. Aha.
Yeah. Look. Steven, here's for you. Then.
Thank you, Mommy.
Yeah, welcome. Oh, so grateful, my kids. Come, love Mama a little. Thank you, Mommy. Oh, very welcome. Kuya also. Okay, and now this is for another one.
Hi, Mom.
Wow! You know what? We are all the same family. And this is for Kuya Tipoy. Another one. Here, Nathan, for this. Another one for Kuya Nathan. Steven. For this. Nathan is not so great.
Wait, what is that?
It's for Mom.
Oh.
Oh, that's your wish, right? Oh, this is Kuya's wish because he really likes to draw, to sketch. So I said, okay, then I buy you for sketching. And this is the light that he requests para sa kanyang room.
Kuya, can you share with me when we draw, okay?
Wow.
Okay, Kuya.
Wow. That's a sketching stencil. And they get LED lights.
Mama, can I open it?
Yeah, if you like. But we will eat. Uncle Stefan is cooking for you. For all of us.
Not only me.
Yeah, for all of us. Now we are going to prepare the gift for the kids. This is our way of giving back our blessings to the kids here in Germany. And today is also Kuya Tipo's birthday. We make a rinder here. We put eyes, nose, and the...
No, Mama, look. We can draw in this, like this, and then do this, and like that, and like that.
Come here, come. We put first the eyes, okay? We put the eyes. Look at that. Hala. Ang dami namang dalang regalo. Look, guys. We have a lot of gifts. Hi, Chin. Grabe, ang dami. Arya, your dings na, Arya. Must take off. Your dings na.
It's okay.
It's okay?
That's okay. That's okay, Mom.
Hello. Bye-bye, Nakten. Wow! Grabe naman kadalaga. Hello.
Merry Christmas po.
Merry Christmas. Bye-bye, Nakten. Kids? How are you doing?
Dalagyan na
Okay lang, busy pa kasi.
Uy, okay lang eh. Kumunta. Sorry. Nagbas ko lang ako niya.
Ano saan bus?
Wala. Ganahan mo ba? Here. Pasok mo lang. Here, oh. Okay lang, Chloe.
Di, kita mo yung lulag-lulog na hadlok.
Ay, madus.
Mangila na mo siya, ti.
Magila siya.
Kita ya, pagkita ya sa lulugay na siya. Siyang lulog, siyang lula.
Happy birthday, Tipoy! Huy! Ano bang kanta yan, Tipoy? birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Yay! Happy birthday, Kuya! Good appetit, guys, kids!